if the officer doesn't review your rights immediately during the arrest, does that actually mean that the case gets just thrown out?
Honestly, that would be fantastic because it would make my job a lot easier, but unfortunately, that is not typically the case. Based on the letter of the law, the officer is only required to read you your rights when he is about to conduct a custodial interrogation. So when you are being arrested, the officer typically should, out of an abundance of caution, but is not technically legally required to do so. So as a result, the officer and ultimately you think about it, it doesn't necessarily determine whether or not the case will proceed because there could be other facts outside of your statement or anything you tell to the police officer that would determine your guilt or innocence. In the totality of the circumstances and the fact that you were not read your rights before you spoke to an officer can lead to those statements being suppressed in the course of your trial. However, it does not ultimately lead to your case just being thrown out because there could be other facts that lead to your guilt or innocence that the DA may decide to proceed on charging you with.